Okay, I decided to help protect my asparagus a little more by adding on top of it some straw mulch. And this is going to help prevent weeds from coming in as well as some of the hard rain from just soaking down into the soil so hard and possibly rotting out the asparagus. So I'm going to protect it a little better by putting the uh, straw mulch on top of it. Also, I went on ahead and added my marigold seeds around the total bed area here. Hopefully they'll start growing real soon. I said I was going to add some lavender as well, but then I found out I couldn't find where lavender was really compatible with asparagus, being planted near asparagus. But I did find out that parsley is. So I'm going to add some parsley over in here near the asparagus bed to help repel some of the pests that be out trying to attack the asparagus. Can't wait to see my asparagus spears growing up.